In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically save leads to Google Sheets using a custom webhook. By the end, every new lead sent to your webhook will land neatly in your spreadsheet without you lifting a finger. We'll begin by creating a new scenario. This is your automation workspace, where each module you add will pass data to the next. Think of it as a simple flow. Something triggers the process, then the data moves where you want it to go. Next, add the Webhooks module and choose the Custom Webhook option. A custom webhook is like a unique inbox URL that waits for incoming data from your form, website, or app. When you select it, click Add to create a new webhook, and then copy the URL that's generated. Keep this URL safe and only share it with the tool that will send your lead data, since anything posted to this address will go straight into your process. Now bring in Google Sheets and choose the Add a Row action. This is the step that writes data into your spreadsheet. For the best results, make sure your sheet already has clear headers for each lead field you expect, like first name, email, and source. Consistent column names make mapping fast and error-free. With your Webhook and Google Sheets modules in place, map the Webhook data to the corresponding columns in your sheet. You'll see the fields captured by the Webhook on one side and your spreadsheet columns on the other. Link them carefully so each piece of information lands in the right spot. If you don't need a particular field, you can leave it unmapped. The rest will still flow. When your mapping looks good, click Run once. This puts your scenario in listening mode. The moment your connected form or app sends a lead to the Webhook URL, the scenario will catch it and push a new row into your Google Sheet using the mapping you set. It's a quick way to confirm everything is wired correctly before you enable it to run on its own. That's it. You created a scenario, added a custom webhook, copied the URL, set Google Sheets to add a row, mapped your data, and ran it once to validate. From here on out, leads are saved automatically, keeping your sheet up to date and your workflow simple and reliable.